Okay, I'm going to be making tension tools out of hacksaw blades. You need a source of heat, a very concentrated flame, like a small propane torch, a hammer, and this will be hitting it at a 90-degree angle once it's hot. Safety goggles, striker, hacksaw blades, gloves, and a grinder. I've got to grind this down small enough to be a tension tool so it'll fit in the lock. Okay, it's about small enough to make a tension tool out of now. About the right size. Now, when you grind metal, the edges become very sharp and can cut you, especially since it's going to be a tension tool. So, this, made out of bristles, this will dull the edges so that it won't cut me when I use it. Okay, so that's step one. Okay, this is the flame I'm going to be using to get the metal very hot. Okay, after I heat the metal, I grab it with a pair of pliers. Well, I bend it with a hammer down to a 90-degree angle. Then I grab it with pliers because it's very hot even through gloves. And dip it in water very quickly. Okay, here's some finished products. And I put twists in them. And I made a new pick. So I'm going to pick these two locks using only tools made from hacksaw blades. we go. It's much better than paper clips or bobby pins.